Congress Member of Parliament Rahul Gandhi escalating attack against government and specifically Rajnath Singh's Parliament address. Also the MHA response that there have been no infiltrations at the line of actual control. Rahul Gandhi has taken to social media site Twitter, and I quote here. Prime Minister first said Chinese army did not even enter into our territory, then took a huge loan from a China-based bank. Then the Defence Minister said China has encroached our land, and now MHA says there has been no encroachment of the LAC. Is the Modi government with the Indian army or is it with China? Anand Patel is now joining me on that. Anand, first, he's not there in the parliament. He should have been there in the parliament as well to take on the government. But nevertheless, he's constantly charging at the government and raising questions here of inconsistency in the statements.
Yes, and he's pointing out to the various flip-flops which the government has been doing ever since the standoff with China began. Now, in his fresh tweet, he has pointed out to the fact that the government on one hand says that there is no incursion, no troops have come, and this statement was from no one else but the Prime Minister himself. But then the Foreign Affairs Minister said that there are encroachments and we are trying to de-escalate. The Defence Minister's statement yesterday mentioned that there are friction points, that there are no incursions. And then again today in the Parliament, Nityanand Rai's statement says that there are no incursions. So clearly, different voices coming in from the centre government which are creating a confusion, and this is what Rahul Gandhi is pointing out, that the entire government is trying to uphold what the Prime Minister said, which is far away from the facts on the ground. And that the reason is that the Indian troops are entrenched in the peaks, trying to protect our land. And the Galwan clashes which took place, in which 20 of our soldiers laid their lives,
yes.
Where were they killed? Were they killed on the Indian soil or were they killed on a foreign soil? The government must come clean on that. And what about the pre-April areas in which the Indian troops were patrolling, be it the Finger 8 area, the Galwan, Hot Springs, or the Depsang Plain, all these areas.
So Anand, we can say that after the Congress walkout from the parliament, clearly senior faces of the party are raising still questions to the Rajnath Singh and also to the government. They are not convinced with the address and the statements. Keep tracking all the latest. Thank you very much for now.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.